saying with me. Now again we repeat. पहला कलमा तैयब, तैयब माने पाक, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु मुहम्मदुर रसूलल्लाह. Translation: There is no God beside Allah, and Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the prophet of Allah. Now we learned article 1, and we learned the prayer of knowledge, and we learned the prayer of parent as well. Now we can recite the prayer of parent. I will show the screen to you first, then we can recite it. Now you can see the screen. Nod your head, then I know. Nod your head, everyone. Very good. Now, this is pray for parent. Rabbir ham homa. Repeat after me. Rabbir ham homa. Kamara beani. Sagira. Very nice. Well done. I am watching your lips. You are saying with me. That is great job. Rabbir ham homa. Kamara beani. Sagira. Translation: My Lord, have mercy upon them, my parents, as they brought me up when I was small. When I was small. Again I repeat it. My Lord, have mercy upon them, my parents, as they brought me up when I was small. Now this is the prayer of parents, which we are learning since the last week. So today we are learning a new prayer, that is dua before eating meal. When we are eating anything, like we are eating in the morning breakfast, then afternoon we can take lunch, and in the night we can take dinner. So before eating anything, we have to recite prayer. So its prayer help us in our body to keep food secure in our body and give energy too. So I am sharing the window. You can see the prayer of before eating meal first. Then we can recite. Now, did you see this? I'm sharing screen. Nod your head. Everyone nod your head. Good job. I'm watching to everyone. Nod your head. Very nice. Now, today we are trying to learn the Arabic part. All the prayer has two parts. One is Arabic and other is English. So first we learn Arabic part, then we learn English part. So today we are learning Arabic part, and it's too easy, and you many times recited in the reception class as well. Now everyone recite with me. I am watching you, and I would like to see your lips moving. Okay? Bismillahi, Bismillahi, wala Barakatillah. Again repeat it. Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. Again repeat it. Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. When you are making a video of this prayer, so tell to mama just only the Arabic part first. ठीक है? जब हम ट्रांसलेशन लर्न कर लेंगे, जब तक वो आपको लर्न नहीं होगी तब तक मैं आपको स्टार्स नहीं दूंगी, ठीक है ना? तो अरेबिक फर्स्ट आपको लर्न करनी है, देन वी कम टू द इंग्लिश पार्ट एंड वी कैन लर्न. अंडरस्टैंड? नॉड योर हेड एवरीवन और शो योर थंब. ये वेरी नाइस. दे आर द चैम्प स्टूडेंट्स. दे अंडरस्टैंड क्विकली, है ना? But Shayan is laying down on the sofa. Am I right? Sit proper. Yay, you are in class, so you can sit proper. Very nice. Oh, Rehab is also there. Hello, Rehab. And who is that? Muhammad. Oh, I think Ali Ghazi. Ali Ghazi, show your video, bete. I want to see you. Okay. So, after the prayers and the articles, we can do the some question and answer session too. Okay? Now, first we learn, then I will unmute yourself and ask to you what is the answer of which question. Okay? Now, first of all, I share the screen. Did you see? Yes. My first question is that, who created us? Who created us? And the answer is, Allah created us. Repeat after me. Allah created us. Repeat after me. Allah created us. Who created us? Allah created us. Speak up, everyone. I want to see your lips moving. Who created us? Very nice, Ania. I'm watching you. Yes, Zainab, you can also give the answer. Allah created us. Very good job. Yes, Shayan, you can say, who created us? Allah created us. Very nice. Yes, Rehab. Now it's your turn. Who created us? Allah created us. Speak up. Allah created us. Yes, Umar Danish, you can say, who created us? Allah created us. Speak up, bete. Very nice. I know Umar knows the answer. Speak up, speak up, speak up. If you are not, speak to the teacher. How teacher knows? Good job. The second question is, where does Allah live? Allah live everywhere. You can do action like me. Allah live everywhere. Do the action like me. Allah live everywhere. Anya, do it like me. Allah live everywhere. Zainab, Shayan, very good. Great job. Well done. Allah live everywhere. Okay. Where does Allah live? Allah live everywhere. The next question is, who are we? Who are we? Alhamdulillah, we are Muslim. Who are we? We are Muslim. Who are we? We are Muslim. We are Muslim. Now I will unmute yourself and then ask questions one by one. You just raise your hand, Okay? Don't say all together. Just raise your hand, then give the answer. Because you guys are very nice student. So show the good manner as well. Okay? Now I am unmuting yourself. Now unmute yourself one by one. Everyone? Very nice. Now I would like to ask, first of all, Shayan. Shayan, you can tell me who created us? Very good. Shabash. Well done. Yes, Zainab, you can tell who created us? Yes, Zainab, speak up. Who created us? Very good, Rehab. Zainab, you can give the answer.
जल्दी बता दोबारा बोलो.
Allah is us.
Very good. Well done. Yes, Anya, you can say. Who created us? Give the complete answer. Allah created us like this. You are wearing a pretty hairband, pink color. That is my favorite color. Who created us? Yes, Umar, you can give the answer. Who created us? Very good job. Clap for all of you. Clapping. Umar, you can also say. Very nice. And Ali Ghazi. Good job. Ali Ghazi, show your screen, bete. You are here. I saw you. Umar, you are not talking to teacher. You are not a friend of teacher. Everyone is friend of teacher. Everyone give the answer. You can also give the answer. Very nice boy. Who created us? Umar, quick answer. Who created us?
आप जब तक बिस्मिल्लाह पढ़ के रब्बी जितने ना पढ़िए.
Okay. Where does Allah live? Allah live. Allah live. Very nice. Good job. Very good job. They are followers. They follow the action of teacher. They listening to teacher. Very nice. I will clap my students for my students. Well done. Yes. Now the last question is, who are we?
We are.
Who are we, Zainab?
Who are we?
Who are we? We are Muslims. Very good. We are Muslims.
We are.
We are Muslims.
Ashir, इसको उठा के दो. Ashir.
Who are we? We are Muslims.
We are Muslims.
Very good job. Now come to the numeracy. Numeracy means we can count numbers.
पकड़ के रखो यहाँ से.
We can do writing of numbers. And we can write and place numbers as well. First of all, I will show the homework to you. Which homework you can do? Then we can go forward. This one we can do. We done 11 till 15. Now we can do 10. Read after me. You can read after me. Wait. 10 and 6 makes 16. 10 and 7 makes 17. 10 and 8 makes 18. 10 and 9 makes 19. 10 and 10 makes 20. Now you can count 16. Everyone speak up. 16.
16,
Very good. 17.
17,
18.
18,
19.
19,
20.
20.
Again repeat it. 16.
16,
17.
17,
18. 19. 20.
20.
Very good. You can trace all numbers very well with the pencil or crayon. You can try to trace crayon with the crayon as well, okay? But try to trace proper, not come out from the dotted line. Understand? Now I will show the counting in numbers till 20. We can read it. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yes. Did you see? आपको नजर आ रही है? Everyone say yes. Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Speak up.
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Now let's count. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7. I want to hear all voices. I want to hear all voices. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
13,
15,
15,
16.
16,
Everyone speak up. 17,
17,
18, 18,
18,
19,
18,
20.
19,
20.
20.
Very good job.
20.
So we can learn 1 till 20 in oral. Okay, and we are trying to trace 1 till 20 in the written work as well. Okay, understand?
Yes, teacher.
Say yes, teacher. Very good job. Hello, Abrish. You are coming late, and Irsa, you too? Baby, you coming late today? Oh. So, okay, we just done the Islamic part of the articles and the translation of the prayers. After that, I just start counting. No issue. You can check the recorded session as well. Everyone try to check the recorded section in the software as well. Okay, all the recorded section till yesterday is posted over there. So, after that, we can go to the sounds. Do you remember we done qua sound? Qua is queen. We done v sound. V is for vulture. We done x sound. X is for X-Max tree. Yes, and now we can learn the another sound that is wa.
Wow.
Is wa. You can see my wa.
Wow.
Say like teacher wa. Everyone. Everyone say like teacher and show the lips. Wa. Very good. You can say sound wa.
Wow. Wow.
Then you can color sound wa. Very nice.
Wow.
You can circle sound wa.
Wow.
and then you can color the picture which comes from the wa sound, that is watermelon. That is, yes, twice for watermelon. And what is the color of watermelon? Is this
Color
orange
बताइए
in color? In which color? Green and red. Very nice, Shayan. Very good job.
Green and red.
Very good job, Zainab. The watermelon color is green and red. Some babies are not speaking with me. Anya, what is the watermelon color?
Red.
Green and red. Yes, Abrish. What is the color of watermelon? Speak up.
Red.
Green and red. Very nice. Yes, who is next? Irsa, what is the color of watermelon?
Green and red.
Green
Green
and red. Green and red. Speak up.
Green and red.
Very good job. So you can do the green and red color on the watermelon as well. Okay? Understand? Then you can connect the sound with the sound wa as well. So you can connect with the line, connect zigzag and curved lines. After that, you can trace the sound wa. Go down, go
Wa.
up, go down, go up, go down, go up, go down, go up. When you are go down, go up, go down, go up, it will be wa. Finally, you come to the, find out the sound wa and color it. Color the circle with the letter wa. When you are founding wa, you can do the color on that circle. Understand? So our today's sound is wa. Speak up. Everyone speak up. Wa. Say like a teacher. Wa. Wow, very good. Well done. You guys are showing a very interest in the class, and I am not muting yourself. If you are sitting like this daily, I will not mute yourself. क्योंकि आप अच्छे बच्चों की तरह जब टीचर को सुनेंगे और टीचर को भी आवाज आपकी पूरी आएगी तो टीचर भी इंजॉय करेंगी और आप भी. ठीक है ना? तो हमें गुड बेबीज की तरह से टीचर की बात सुननी है और उनको आंसर करना है. So the sound which we learned today, that is wa. Understand? Yes. Now come to our favorite poem, that is when we mix red and yellow.
When we mix red and yellow.
Everyone do it. When we mix it, two of them, then magic will begin. When we mix it, two of them, then magic will begin. Do it. When we mix it, two of them, then magic will begin. It will change into color orange. It will change into color orange. Speak up. मुझे आपकी सबकी आवाज आनी चाहिए. Yeah, orange, very nice. When we make, you can do the action as well. I am holding mic in my hand, that's why I'm not able to do the action. Yes, very good. When we mix it, two of them, then magic will begin. When we mix it, two of them, then magic will begin. It will change into color orange. It will change into color. Speak up, everyone. Zainab, speak up. I want to hear your voice. Zainab, speak up. The name of color orange. When we mix blue and red. When we mix blue and red. When we mix it, two of them, then magic will begin. When we mix it, two of them, then magic will begin. It will change into color purple. It will change into color purple. Very nice. When we mix blue and yellow. When we mix blue and yellow. When we mix with two of them, then magic will begin. When we mix with two of them, then magic will begin. It will change into color green. It will change into color green. So who is wearing green dress today? Can anyone tell me?
You have a yellow there.
Who is wearing green dress today?
Nobody is ready.
Who is wearing? Rehab is wearing the green dress. You can see the Rehab's window. He is wearing a green shirt. Very nice. And who is wearing the orange? Yeah. Who is wearing the orange?
Orange.
No one? Zainab, which color dress you are wearing? Show me.
Orange.
Show your dress. Yes, Abrish, which color dress you are wearing?
Green.
Show your dress.
Orange. Orange. Wow.
Which color dress? Blue? You can wear. You are wearing blue? Show me your
Blue.
dress. Stand up. Stand up, ho jaiye.
Blue.
And Shayan, you are wearing yellow?
Teacher, I'm wearing yellow.
Very nice. And Anya, you are wearing red or pink? Which color dress you are wearing? Speak out. Pink. Oh, that is my favorite color. I like pink very much. And you can see I am wearing red color. I am wearing red color. So we all are the primary colors and secondary colors too. Okay? Okay, now it's time to disconnect because I received a message.
10 minutes ka break.
We can rejoin after 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can rejoin. I am here. I'm sitting here for you. You just
5
go,
minutes ke baad वापस
bring some
आना.
water, juice or milk, which you like most, and take some brunch and come back. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
And today's homework is already posted in the software, so you can do it. But when you rejoin again, we can do the creative work. There is another activity. Did you see the picture in the group? Your friends post the picture.
Flowers.
Yes. We are having the creative work with the paper and scissors. That is making a flower. So today we are making a flower. Okay?
Okay. Hello.
Yes. Any question regarding this session? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? It's my humble request, Miss to Umar Danish and Ali Ghazi. Please show your video, bete. I want to see you. If you are not appear in the screen, how can I understand that you understand the things which teacher is telling to you?
No.
इरसा आज देर से सो के उठी थी, अभी तक नाराज बैठी हैं. आज मुझे लग रहा है देर से सो के उठी. हाँ? वैसे आज टीचर भी बहुत देर से सो के उठी, because teacher is going to very much tired yesterday. देर से
बोले टीचर लाइट नहीं होती रात में.
हाँ सेम प्रॉब्लम और जनरेटर इतना शोर मचाता है, मेरे तो सर में दर्द हो जाता है, तो इसलिए मैं सो ही नहीं पाती सही से. लेकिन you can see teacher is smiling, not making sad face. if you are making sad face, na, your lips are going down. No.
देखो
And
ये
when
क्या
you
बताएं, ऐसे ही
smile,
करेंगे। अगर आप रोएंगे तो आप ऐसे ही करें।
so smile. Yes. Show your teeth. I want to see your teeth. Yay! This is nice. Very good. Zainab, did you enjoy the class? मजा आया? आपको मजा आया? ठीक है, अब डेली कनेक्ट होना है. And keep it in your mind. From Monday, I will take assessment. I will post the detail of in the group as well. मैं group में सब सारी detail share कर दूंगी आप लोगों को कि किस time पे किसको connect होना है. One by one. I allow one by one to give answer. Okay, that is your assessment.
अब ये इसमें करने के लिए ये वाला
Anya is doing something. Okay, I think Anya is doing the coloring on the watermelon. Or sounds. Yes, she is. I know because she is having a green color in her hand. And she is doing green color on the sound. Very good, Anya. And everyone try the post homework. Yesterday, I just saw one homework. So try the post homework in the software as well, please. Then I check and I remark. And video can share in the group.